Hey guys, it's Mrs. Garcia. Welcome to week 9 of distance learning. We have a couple more weeks left and then school's over, guys. But anyway, this week we're going to be talking about catastrophic events. So let's get to it. So, the objectives for this week, we're going to do a think and share over natural disasters. We're going to take some catastrophic events notes. Then we're going to talk about tornadoes, hurricanes, and floods. And then the last thing you're going to do is a drag and sort and a map. So, as always, if you're stuck, email your teachers, reach out to counseling if you need that support. Make sure that you're attending Zoom tutoring for Mr. Finley and I's class. That is on Fridays at 3 p.m. And then you can check your Google Classroom for the link on how to join. And then also check feedback from teachers. We are leaving feedback, and some of you guys are not reading it and you're resubmitting the assignments without making the corrections. So make sure that you are looking at that feedback that we're providing. So, task number 1 is that think and share, like I mentioned before. So, what you're going to do is you're going to click the audio button at the bottom, and the audio buttons will be on all slides, just like always. Listen to the directions. Then you're going to look at these 4 pictures, and you're going to type in this box what you think they have in common. Please delete the type your response here. It gets a little confusing if it stays there, but that's where you'll type your response. It's just to show you where to type it. So, look at the pictures, and then tell me what you think they have in common. The next thing you're going to do is take some notes. So you'll click this audio button. You're going to need it for this. And as you listen, you're going to drag, just like always, drag the words to the appropriate line. Next, we're going to watch a video on hurricanes. So you'll watch this video. It's very, very cute and it's informative. And it'll tell you a lot about hurricanes. You'll learn a lot. And then after that, sorry, I went up. After that, you'll watch a video on what happens after a hurricane, what's the damage that it causes. And then I'll show you some pictures, and then you'll come to this slide, which is a little excerpt from an article. So you'll click this audio button to listen to it, and you're just going to answer the question. So, what effect does a hurricane have on the ecosystem? And as you can see, it's highlighted. So it tells you exactly where that information is. But make sure you listen to it so you understand the information as well. And this will be repeated for all 3 events. So this is hurricane, and you'll see it again right here with tornado. Same thing. You see watch the video on what it is, the damage it causes, pictures, and then you'll have the article again to listen to and answer the questions. I have sentence stems for you to just add on to. Some of you guys have access to the text to speech where you can talk and it'll, or voice type, whatever it's called on your device. You can say what you need to say and it'll type it out for you. So make sure you utilize that. But then we go on to floods. Same thing, video about what it is, video about what happens after one, and then you have pictures, and then you'll listen to the article and answer questions again. Then the second to last thing you're going to do is you're going to look at this map, but really just look at the pictures on the map. I know it looks like a lot, but just look at the pictures. You're going to type one catastrophic event shown on the map. So do you see a hurricane? Do you see a tornado? Whatever you see on the map, you'll type one of them here. And then for the second question, you'll listen to the audio and it'll read it to you. And then you're going to circle whatever answer you think that is. And the very last thing you're going to do is a drag and sort. So for this one, you're going to have to scroll over a little bit because it's a little long. And you'll look at the 3 types of disasters. You're going to click this audio button to listen to the definitions. Then you'll drag the definitions under the definition box. And then you'll drag the correct picture next to the correct disaster as well. And then after you've done that, you're going to come over here to effect. Like for a hurricane, say I put the definition in the picture. What's one effect that it has on the environment? That's what you'll type here. You can delete, type your response here, and type what one of those effects are. And if you're not sure, you can always scroll back up and look at what you did in your other assignments, as like the article, because we talked about the effects in those. So use those resources, and these are all the assignments that you have for the week. So if you have questions midway or you turn it in and you want to ask questions, that's totally fine. Just reach out to us, let us know what you need help with. And that is all. Happy learning.